real quick, I just wanted to ask if you haven't subscribed, please push that subscribe button. It'll help the channel out quite a bit. Thanks. So today we're going to be cutting a bunch of pepper trees and some bushes with this Greenworks 8-inch 40-volt pole saw. I also have the GoPro attached to the end here, so we get some first-person views cutting these limbs. So for this video, I'll be using a 4 amp hour 40-volt battery. So it typically comes with a 2 amp hour, but this is my secondary backup battery. I decided to go with this first so I won't run out of batteries while cutting. I'm sure this will go a long ways and create a lot of work to clean up all the trimmings when I'm done. Hey guys, please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you enjoy this content.
I just do that's fact and I don't feel I'd rather keep them be right. I'll feel the seeds as they spread with every word that I've said. So we're currently at half a charge here with all that cutting. I'm going to bring it all in a pile here to see how much was cut up.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change.
If you're enjoying this content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Alright, got it all stacked up here. So it's a 160 watt hour battery. I used half the charge, so about 80 watt hours. Cut all these branches. So one thing for sure, hour worth of cutting could create a many hours worth of cleanup. I'm going to end up running everything under an inch size through the mulcher, and the rest I'll just let dry out for firewood. So a number of these branches weren't no twigs. This one's 3 inches. This one here, another about 2.5. This one here, 3.5 inches. Lots of 2 inches and a lot of 1 inchers. It actually does really well on 1 inch and above. It bounces around a little bit on the smaller stuff.